Okay, in this video, I'm going to share to you about how to make the modern design with a curved swimming pool overflow swimming pool in here. Okay, first of all, I will decide to give the materials for the overflow swimming pool in here. Okay, and then now we can make this hole in here on this villa in here. We can make the separation area in here, and we can push it behind in here. Okay, then now we can click this line and select move and just place to the position in here. Okay, and then now we can select move tab control and just place type 3 slash and enter in here. Okay, and now we can push it to the behind. Again, we can push it to the behind in here and select move tab control and just place and push it to the behind in here and click select move tab control, just place type 3 slash and enter in here. Okay, and after that now we can determine about the glass materials in here. Okay, we can determine about the glass materials in here of there in this position in here. Okay, and then now we can click select line and select move tab control and just place. Okay, and push it to the behind in here and select move tab control and just place. We can select for the glazing again, you can select the vertical line and select move tab control and just place type 2 slash and enter in here and select move tab control and just place. You can push it to the front and assign about the materials in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the another canopy in here. We can assign about the canopy and push it to the front in here for the grid canopy in here. Okay, and after that now we can determine about the color. Okay, we can select about the color. Okay, we can select about the color with this color. Okay, we decide to make the dark color in here, and now we can determine about the decking. We can determine about the decking of this swimming pool in here. Sign and for this one in here. Okay, then now we can erase about the bottom surfaces over there in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the another gutter for this swimming pool in here. Okay, and push it to the behind in here. Okay, we can select the line and set it inside in here and push it to the behind and double click, right click and make group. Okay, now we can select the concrete. Okay, and after that now we can make the another vegetation. Okay, we can make group and make this line again and make group again. Okay, we can assign about the landscaping. Okay, we can use the landscaping materials in here and also to the position in here. Okay, and okay, anyway, this is about the villa. This is the private villa with the inner lounge area in here. Okay, we can place this one on the position in here and on the position in here. Okay, we can just place, and then after that now we can click and select move tab control and just place. And okay, we can move the tree on this position, and then now we can make like landscaping in here on the tree over there. And okay, and okay, and after that now we can determine about the boxes in here. You can push it to the front and make the boxes in here. Okay, so this is the room of the villa in here. Okay, and now we can make the concrete. We can make the concrete materials and make group and just place on the position in here. And okay, we can determine. We can push it to the behind and click and select move tab control. Place type 3 slash and enter in here. Okay, and then now we can assign about the glass with using the blue glazing materials in here. Okay, just like this. And now we can determine about the wood materials in here. Okay, we can select the cladding materials. So we can use this one here to make this one. Okay, just like this. Now we can make the silver tool on this position here. Move it up a little bit. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. Now we can determine about the shadow just like this to make it more representative and attractive in here about this villa. Thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.